Doc, pwede ba quickie?
Quickie tayo. Saan?
Oo, quickie question.
Okay. Sige.
Ano
We're
ba
going
yung,
to discuss.
ano yung hidradenitis suppurativa?
It's a condition wherein the follicle is going through an inflammatory condition. Nasa na-infect siya. And then parang acne, parang boils, parang ganun yung nangyayari sa kanya. Nagde-develop siya ng lump. Tapos hindi siya gumagaling and it's very painful. If you experience yung sakit ng ano ba yung boil sa Tagalog? Pigsa. Parang ganon. Tapos lumalalim siya and then hindi siya gumagaling. It's very ayan. This is an actual case condition. But it's different from the case ng nagkakaroon ng channel or tunnel sa loob kasi hindi nga siya gumagaling. And it's very painful for them. Kasi nga, parang diba, if you're familiar